Okay, so let's get started step by step. So my first step, we're going to Kotlin, the Android, and create a new folder for my new project. What that will be a Twitter demo. That's good. So I will take copy from the startup and I will add it in a Twitter demo. So now I have everything ready. Just open Android Studio and let me open the a new project there. So in seconds until he will load, then we select open project, then desktop. I will go look for my project here on Android. Should be the Twitter demo startup. So let's always have the correct one configuration, which help us to get configured a project. I know in the future we don't need this one; they just create the project from type Kotlin. But now, like still, they need to add some library, third-party library for text or other stuff. So yes, waiting for seconds until he will load this page for me. After he loaded, you know what I have to do. First step, I have just to go to Gradle and change the app name. So instead com.raway.startup, I change it to com.raway.twitter. Okay, so we'll have information for our Twitter app. And make sure to go to the build and clean project to clean a project if there is any like previous save it settings. So I get rid from them, get corrected the project, clean it, doesn't have anything. So now just to start up, what I need to do, I start up, I need to have a login page. So I say, okay, yeah, Gradle is running, project closing. I say, no, it's working. So just what I need to go, I need to create a new project, a new like activity that's for logins, like allow person to login. How the person login in my app? I will take three information from the user. I will take his username and his password and the image for the user. So to do that, I just go to the layout and create a new activity and I select empty activity. Make sure he selected some package I work on and he selected the source language Kotlin. I will name this file login. Okay, and click OK. So wait a second until he will be able to create this file for me. So now he created for me, but as you see, same problem we have. They create a new folder named Twitter, is not in a startup, so make sure just take it, move it here to avoid any syntax error that you may have when we're working. As I told you, you will not see this problem if you start from scratch with application, but because you are in configured file, so we need to move the file to that package so the application could now then. So now I have everything ready. So let's get start with design the login page. So what do you think we need in the login page? We said I'm asking three information: username, password, and I will ask for the username, password, and ask for the image. But before that, let me just change the application name for the design because I didn't like this name of a startup. I name it Twitter. Okay, this is my project. So in the design of the login page, I like it. Twitter, show me Twitter. So what I need, Ginger, do this one to this design. Go to the text. I need username, plain text. Enter his name. Maybe I needed email. You could select email, but okay, let me select. I suppose I'm taking email. So suppose I'm taking this one, and also I'm supposed taking password for now. So I add this one, and also I ask for picture. So I look for image view. Okay. So he will select image and he will add it here. Hopefully image view will work for now. Maybe he will not work if he doesn't have image. So but let's just start with this empty one. Doesn't have anything, but he didn't have it in correct place. Let me just add it here. So he will just add something for me. I don't need this constraint. Let me just make sure this one just move a little bit up. I didn't like it to be in this place too much, like. And this one go to a little bit up. I need also a button for someone who click login. So to go to remove this one, select button, add it here. So wait, I see this one have this one. I don't need this box. I will fix this one in seconds. And I need this button, just add it so he will add the thing I needed. So first of all, this button or this input field is already connected there. That's good. Yes. And what I have more, this one is connected to that one. I don't need it to connect there. I need to connect to this second one. So one after another. MG view, I need to connect to this one. So make sure little bit place. And I see is not, the space is not good. Let me suppose I say it's 14 pt, the size and the width 14. If you just like it, if you don't like it, make it 16 by 16, little bit bigger image view. And for sure I have button for clicking. So suppose this button, I see this one is too much in the high, so 60 sound too much. Let me make it 15. Yeah, this is good now. So this is button for someone click. Make sure to avoid any errors. This one button, make it just connected to this end, so you will not this button will not go outside of the screen. So this MG view will get as initial thing. If you just go to the design, you'll see this is basic have Android, but I have already some pictures I could use them. So if I just go if you go to the Kotlin Android, you see something assets, you see something Twitter. Take all these icons and copy them and go here and create a new file, name it Android directory, name it drawable, okay, and add this image there. So copy paste, add all these images. The one that I needed for now, I need the person one, so which is this one. Just make the layout nicer. So going here, this one, if you just go to the code, if you see this Android, he taking this image as an Android, you could change the at to drawable / person, which is this one. Yes, sound better now. So let me just manage this layout. UI. Here I asking for email, so let me just avoid you seeing that one. Just escape, selected. Hopefully edit takes email. Okay, for sure I have to have hint for the person. So yes, I add hint. I ask, hey, enter your email. See, he doesn't take it. I say enter your email because I close enter, so he just got this one. Just make it in this way. So what about the second one? The second one, same thing. I name it edit text password. Okay, and make sure to add a hint here. Yes, I name it enter your password. Okay, and hopefully it be good. Here he image, I don't have to ask for anything. You could name it mgview image person as an ID. If you don't do it. But I want to do it because I want to access to the event. Let me say select, so he will not ask me again. This one should be button login, so I say bu login. Okay, ID, and to make it nice, I want to make it nicer, so it is better for me to use some same colors. You know the colors that we have them already. I will copy them and add them here. You know them and we already work with them a lot. This is list of colors, so just add them here from previous project, which is these colors. So I would suppose the button click will get this color, green one. So going here to my button, I change the background to, if you click here, you could select the background from here, drawable, and you could select it from the color. I need the color, which is this one that I just defined in a few seconds. If you like it, good. If you don't like it, click again and replace it with the one more shiny. Yes, so this button, the text for this button should be login for sure. Okay, and the on click, what the method I need to click, I name it bu login. Okay, just connect it. So for sure now, because I create this method, I have to go to login and I have to define that method. That method should be function and be login. It will take instance of view. Okay, make sure don't leave it here. Just click enter, so he will able to import view. Then you just open a bracket, close it. So now going back to UI, if I just go to this one, bu login, it have bu login click. If I click command or control click, he get me in this place. That's me. Now I'm good. So let me just do finalize some design in my application. So I think the login page sound good to me for now. Enter email, enter, I think enter your password is too much. So enter password, enter email will be enough because it take too much from the screen. Enter email and enter password. So yes, I think it's good now. Just login. He will go to login page and login. Yes, one thing missing: the main page. I don't want it to start from this one, from main activity. I wanted from now to start from this activity, from login. So take filter, move it here, so the start app be from here. Second one, I need to give my project like layout for. If you see main activity, I want to give it a Twitter layout, a Twitter theme. So if you see the colors, I have them here. I think this color blue is look like Twitter. So it's better to go to the style and say yes, the prime color I needed to take a blue, and this one also take a blue. Now if you just go to the main activity, you see the color look like a Twitter. See that right? The layout? Yes. So yes, this is look like a Twitter app. So we design everything in the way that we wanted. If I just want to make sure everything is cool, I run it my device. So yes, here we go. Now he opened the page for me, and here's the page login and whatever, all the information is ready. I think I missed one thing. This one, when someone click on the image, I have to just add the method. So just when you go to the design code, you just write the code. If you see this one name it imgViewPerson. It doesn't have only click here on it. So we have to do that in the code. So I have to go to login here and try to access to this one. You know that to get started properties, let me just import this one also here, first of all. Then just import it. Now I could use mgview, which is the tool that I have it, dot, then you say set on click listener. I'm just listening for, so then I say on click listener. So when someone click on me, just call this method. So now this one to do will show us, will select image from the phone. Okay, that's what we'll do it in the next video. So here we're done. Thank you for watching. See you next.